Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick review on the new formula of the KLAIRS Supple Preparation Facial Toner in the unscented version. Essentially all they did for this formula was remove the essential oils within it. Every single other ingredient is the exact same. They just took out the essential oils that can possibly irritate some people. For me, I didn't have a problem with the old formula, but I figured it was worth a try to test out the new edition of it. So in my opinion, it honestly feels pretty much the exact same. I don't know if it's like just because I know that the oils have been removed, that the texture seems a little less oily in compared to the old one. It's like the slightest difference. It could just be like my mind playing tricks on me, but I swear it has like the smallest difference in texture. Like it doesn't feel like there's an oiliness to it, but I could just be crazy. Anyway, because this tutorial would otherwise be so short, I'm going to show you guys the 3 ways I apply my toners and use toners. So here I have the KLAIRS Toner Mate 2-in-1 cotton pads. Basically in this packaging you get 2 different types of cotton puffs. One is a spongy type and the other is a dense thick type. The dense thick type is one that you can use to exfoliate your face or use to cleanse your face, and the spongy type is one you can use as a sheet mask, like a really fast, like before you do your makeup sheet mask, and that is honestly when I use those ones. So I usually take about 3 and I stack them together and saturate them in the toner, and I apply them to my face with 2 of the sponge type cotton pads on my cheeks. Then I take the 3rd one and I literally rip it in half and use it on my chin area and forehead area. This is a great trick to do if you are getting ready for a night out, or if you just feel like your skin is a little bit irritated recently, or if you're having a few like breakouts. This is a great technique to do to help stimulate your skin to recover and also calm it down and cool it at the same time. I only do this on special occasions or if I really feel like my skin needs it and I don't have any sheet masks. I leave it on for about 10 minutes and then I take it off and move forward with the rest of my skincare routine. Also, if the cotton pads that I used are still quite damp with toner, then I just take whatever is left over on it and I like to apply it on my nose or the areas of my face that need a little bit more of that moisture boost. And then I also take it and rub it down my neck and I put it on my chest if there's enough. And then once I do that, I also like to apply it to my arms and the back of my hands. But of course, this is only possible if you have enough toner remaining on the cotton pads. Like I said, I only really do this if I have no face masks or sheet masks on hand. It really is rare that I do it. Then for the other cotton puff, the really dense rough one, this is where I use it in situations where I feel like my skin needs a quick exfoliation but not too much or anything that would cause irritation. So I just apply a significant amount of toner and rub it really well over my face, focusing on areas where I might have dry patches. This is great to do like before you're doing your makeup to remove any dead skin flakes you might have accumulated overnight or over the past couple days since you last exfoliated. Otherwise, this cotton puff mixed with the toner is also really good if you are using it in the morning to lightly cleanse your face. I've used this technique a lot, especially in the summer seasons. And actually no, I use it pretty much all the time whenever I feel like my skin doesn't need to be washed with water in the mornings. That's just the perfect way to cleanse my face. Then the traditional way that I always, literally like 90% of the time, apply my toner is just splashing maybe 3 drops or 3 splashes into my hand and just massaging that all over my face and patting it in. That is the classic way of applying toner and it works best for me since I usually follow through with my skincare routine 100% of the time. So let me know, do you guys do the same stuff with your toners? I would be really interested to know how you apply it. As you can see, I honestly apply whatever is left over all over my hands and my arms just to make sure my skin is fully getting the benefits of everything that I apply on it. So yeah, let me know what you guys do. I would literally love to find out, and let me know what you think of the new unscented formula. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Subscribe to see more reviews and makeup tutorials, and I will see you next time. Bye!